A lot of you say you have businesses, but you don't even have a business plan. No, scratch that. You don't even know how to write a simple business plan. So if you don't have a business plan for your business, you don't have an actual business. You are just guessing. You are not running an actual business. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a simple business plan for your business while writing mine. So you need to stick to the end because you don't want to miss any of the steps. Write your own business plan, and at the end of this video I'm going to drop my business plan template, so you need to watch to the end so that you can see how you can get those templates. So hello amazing people, this is day 9 of me trying to start up a business afresh with zero capital. If you're looking to start up a business or you have an existing business and you want to grow that business, you need to follow this series. Okay, you need to follow this series so that you can learn how to structure your business, also that you can learn the right way to start your business. In these 30 days I'm going to equip you with everything you need to know for your business, be it logos, flyers, business registration, getting a business account, so many things. I'm going to teach you how to sell, how to get your first clients, how I'm going to teach you so many things in this series. So you need to watch. If you've missed any part, you need to go back and watch that part so that you understand what we are doing here. And if you're just meeting me for the first time, my name is Precious. I help you start up a business, I help you grow your business, and I help you make money online through content creation and AI. So if you like content like this, just do well to hit on that subscribe button and let's proceed. Most people skip this, and that's why their businesses fail. They start a business, they don't have structure, they don't have a particular plan, and they're just guessing their business. And that's why most small businesses fail, because you don't have an actual plan. So don't worry, I'm going to teach you how to get your business plan in this video. First of all, what is a business plan? A business plan is not just a long document, it is an actual roadmap for your business. So it's a simple roadmap on what you're doing, how you're helping people, and how you intend to make money, even your target audience. Yes, so this is what a business plan contains. If you don't have a business plan, then you don't have an actual business. You are just guessing that's your business. That your business is just, you're just doing guesswork. You did not plan it, you're just doing guesswork. And how does having a business plan actually help? Business plan helps you to be focused, it helps you avoid distraction, it gives you a clear direction, and it helps you grow. Without an actual business plan, you're just jumping from idea to idea. Let's take these steps to writing a simple business plan. You need to know what your business has to offer. For example, I chose to start up a consulting firm for business owners to help them grow their business. So I need to know what my business is offering. My business is offering business growth, business clarity, help you to make more sales, and help you to grow your business. That is what my consultation business is actually offering. So that is the first step in my business plan. So the next thing you need to write on your business plan is your target audience. Who are your target audience? My target audience are small businesses and entrepreneurs. So that are my target audience. You need to know your target audience when writing a business plan. So next thing you're going to write on your business plan, you need to know the kind of problem that you're actually solving. What are you trying to fix? What painful problem are you trying to solve? I'm trying to solve the problem of not making enough sales in your business. So that's the kind of problem I'm trying to solve. What is your problem? What problem are you trying to solve? You're going to write it in your business plan. And we are also going to write how you intend to make money. That is your marketing plan. You're also going to write it in your business plan, right? Yes, we're going to write it in our business plan, how we intend to make money, the things that we are going to do, the different services that we are going to offer in order to make money in our business. It's also going to be in your plan. The last one, you're going to also write your marketing strategy. Well, this is just a simple business plan. I'm going to give my template so that you can edit it for your own business. Yes, so you're going to write your marketing plan. How are you going to market yourself? How are you going to market this your business? Are you going to market it on TikTok, Instagram? Are you going to have a physical location? So you're going to write your marketing plan also in your business plan.
So basically what a business plan does is that it helps you get clarity, and it also helps you set goals and know how to achieve that goal for your business. So I'll just be leaving this my templates on. You just need to edit the template and add yours.
People don't have business plan because they think business plan is overcomplicated. You think it's complicated, you think you must have 20 pages. No, even 2 pages of business plan is enough. All you need to do is to have clarity. What really matters is for you to deeply understand what you're doing and have a clear picture of what you're about to do or what you're doing already. Don't just watch this video, look for a book and a pen and start writing everything down so that you can get your first business plan. Your first business plan might not be that perfect, but it's an actual plan, and I'm going to be leaving my business templates in the description of this video, so you can just get the template and edit it. Get the template, edit it to suit your own business. If you're watching this video and you have a business plan, let me know in the comment section. And if you have any friend that wants to start up a business or is already a business owner, you can copy the link of this video and share to that person. Don't forget to like this video, drop your comments in the comment section, and see you tomorrow. Bye.